Ron here with a perfectly imperfect marriage, and I want to introduce you to the Marriage Harmony Program, part of our Grow, Restore, Strengthen programs. And in this video, we're going to do a 10,000 foot overview of what the program looks like. And really, this is designed to encourage and come alongside married couples, regardless of where you are in your marriage journey, and help to strengthen, grow, overcome whatever hurdles might be currently in your way, and move forward healthier, stronger, and happier. And really, who isn't looking for that in their marriage? Now, if this information strikes a chord with you, if this resonates a little bit, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Samantha and I are regularly sharing new videos about different marriage topics that are near and dear to our heart, as well as accepting suggestions from the APIM crew. Now, you may not know what the APIM crew is, and that's cool, but it's the A Perfectly Imperfect Marriage community. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, here on YouTube, TikTok, but it's our crew. These are the people that we're regularly engaging with and who are chasing the same thing that we all are. Life is really meant to do in community. So you're not meant to be walking this out by yourselves. So join the community and let's get rolling. Now, some of the things that we're going to be unpacking in the Marriage Harmony program, understanding that marriage is one of the greatest blessings you're ever going to have in life, but it's also one of the biggest challenges. Every couple faces challenges. Life gets sideways. The curveballs don't stop, just so you know, they're not going to stop. But how do you handle them when they come? Are you walking it out in grace and humility and strength and shoulder to shoulder with your spouse versus nose to nose? Are you guys fighting with each other over every little thing? Or are you walking this out in grace together? When you're feeling disconnected, working on trust, the goal here is to equip you with the tools so that moving forward, we can reconcile, heal, and resolve quickly and effectively. We don't want to be reacting to every situation that comes up. We want to have a proactive plan and engage life proactively. And, this isn't just another course. We're not gurus. We've walked this out. You may have met Sam and I along the way. You may not have, regardless. And I don't want to get too much into our backstory. If we choose to work together, you're going to get to hear all of it. But yes, we've got the schooling. Yes, we've got the certifications. Yes, we've been doing this for a little while. But we've walked through this fire, so we get it. In 2017, we were on the brink of divorce, and it took some major lifestyle changes and rebuilding from the inside out for us to heal. So we understand, feeling like you're stuck on this treadmill, like it's Groundhog Day, you're having the same fight over and over again, the same conversation over and over again. But you see that couple down the street, and they look so happy and fulfilled together, and it's possible, but you're just not sure how to get there. We can absolutely help with that. Some of the things that we're moving into through this Grow, Restore, Strengthen program, building a strong foundation for your marriage so that we can build upon that. We're going to restore and rekindle trust, emotional connection, physical intimacy, and, rekindle this bond and grow together more healthy. And then strengthen, increased resilience, increased accountability, increased support, and creating a legacy for the future. And, that's really important to Samantha and I, that, we're facilitating generational change. This is change that not only is going to impact your kids, but it could impact your parents and your in-laws. It could impact your neighbors as they see this transformation in you. And then they start asking, what's going on? How did that happen? And now they're inquisitive, it's that butterfly effect, that when people start to see the change in you, it excites them. They want to know what's going on. And when I say that this change is possible, I'm not making it up. Not only is it possible, but you guys deserve it. You deserve the happy, healthy marriage that you're chasing. And again, Samantha and I want to come alongside you and help facilitate that. So this is the roadmap. This is the 10,000-foot overview of what the marriage harmony program looks like. Now, over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be sharing some short videos, those 4 to 6, 7 minute videos where we unpack each of these steps and go a little bit deeper just to give you an overview of what it looks like. Now, if any of this strikes a chord, if you want to learn some more, there's a link below to our website. You can learn a little bit more about Samantha and I, you can learn a little bit more about the program, but you can also schedule some time on our calendar, and we'd be more than happy to talk to you about the program, about what it looks like, what the expectations are. Now understand, this program isn't for everybody. Samantha and I aren't for everybody. And we're not looking to just work with anybody. We want you to have a strong desire for change. You've got to be in this and willing to put in some legwork. This isn't magic wand, pixie dust, and everything's fixed. There's going to be some accountability, some challenges, and you've got to be willing to put in some work and understand that real change starts within. But together, in community, we can make this happen. So if this strikes a chord, reach out, and I look forward to talking with you soon.